Smart Shoe project using Bluetooth app. The sensor data we can monitor in Bluetooth app using mobile. This is the ESP8266 microcontroller. Here we are interfacing DHT11 temperature sensor and MPU 6050 accelerometer. This is the Bluetooth module called HC05. This is the charging. This input supply is 5 volt. This is going to the battery, and this is the boost converter. Using this we are stepping up to 5 volts. Here input is around 4.2 to 3.9. We are stepping up to 5 volts and given switch. Using this switch we are on off the power supply. Now we can see, I will turn on the supply. Initially Bluetooth will blink, means it is trying to connect. We have to connect with our app to monitor the data. Using this we are calculating the temperature, and using accelerometer we are calculating the step size. Whenever the person moves, then only step size will count, otherwise it will not count. From this Bluetooth we are sending the data to Bluetooth app. There we are monitoring the data.